We are learning to draft ideas from a multi-flow map into writing. Here I have my multi-flow map about earthquakes. A multi-flow map has causes of an event and then effects. So when I do my writing, I'm going to write 4 paragraphs. My first paragraph is going to be an introduction, what it is that I'm writing about. My second paragraph is going to be what the causes are. My third paragraph is going to be about the effects, the consequences. And my final paragraph is going to be a summary. So let's look at how we can use this plan here to draft our writing. So here is my first paragraph. This introduces the reader to what it is that I'm going to be writing about. So I've said earthquakes are natural events that can occur and can have devastating consequences. Now I need to start writing my second paragraph, which is going to be about the things that cause an earthquake. Okay, so let's have a look at the ideas that I've put together using my plan here. So in my plan I said that tectonic plates were under the ground, they rub against each other, and the rubbing makes the ground move. Now here's my writing, and you'll see that in this writing I've added more detail than what's just in my plan. My plan is just a guide. So my writing says, earthquakes occur when tectonic plates under the ground move. Now I'm going to give some more details about that, because the reader might not know what tectonic plates are. The Earth's crust is made up of lots of plates called tectonic plates. These all join together like a jigsaw puzzle, so I've tried to make a connection that the reader would understand, thinking about what a jigsaw puzzle looks like. These plates can move. Usually we don't feel them moving, but sometimes they move suddenly or a lot, and we can feel that as an earthquake. Now I'm going to tell the reader about the effects of an earthquake. That's going to be my third paragraph. Okay, so here's my third paragraph using these ideas. And again, I haven't just written out these ideas. These are just a plan. They're just key ideas to help me to remember about all the things I want to write about. So I need to add detail to those ideas in the plan. When an earthquake occurs, there can be lots of effects. When the tectonic plates move, this causes the ground to move and the things on the ground to move too. Buildings move, shake, and can fall down. If people are near falling objects, they can be hurt badly. The ground can also move apart, causing cracks to form on the ground. Now I need to check, before I go on to my final paragraph, have I written about everything in my plan? So I've written about the causes, what makes an earthquake happen, and I've written about the effects. Now I need to write my final paragraph, which is a summary of what I've written about so far. So here's my final paragraph. In this paragraph, I'm not allowed to tell the reader any new information. I'm just reminding them about the main ideas from my writing so far. So in my final paragraph, I've said earthquakes occur naturally because of the tectonic plates under the ground. I've already told the reader that, so it's nothing new. Earthquakes can cause a lot of damage to buildings and can injure people. And again, I've already told the reader those things, so it's no new information. So there I have my 4 paragraphs using my multi-flow map all about earthquakes. My introduction, my paragraph about the causes, my paragraphs about the effects, and my summary paragraph, which just touches on the main points again and doesn't introduce any new information. Now you're going to use your plan to draft up your piece of writing.